Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to cancel a payment on OnlyFans. Let's get started. First of all, open your OnlyFans account and log in. Once you are on the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. After that, in your settings menu, select subscriptions. Here you will see a list of all the creators you are currently subscribed to. To cancel a to cancel a payment, find the creator whose subscription you want to stop and click on their profile. You will see a button labeled Auto Renew. Make sure to turn off Auto Renew to prevent future charges. That's it. This will stop OnlyFans from charging you for the next billing cycle. Just a quick tip, make sure you do this before your subscription renews to avoid any unwanted charges. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.